Raj is joining us. There is so much of speculation right now that you have put in your papers. Is it true?
Absolutely untrue.
What is the truth? You met the president today. Why did you meet the president?
You see, president is like my guru. When I joined parliament, he was the leader of Rajya Sabha. When my inning is coming to an end, it is my duty to call on him. So this was purely a courtesy call, and I have done it today. I have asked for appointment with the Prime Minister. Tentatively, they will give me tomorrow, day after. Then I want to meet the former Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, with whom I worked 34 years. So I will meet him, and thereafter I will also meet Rajnath Singh. Officially we have asked for appointment. On 21st evening I will fly back.
Your term is ending on 29th,
So they must give me a governor before that. I cannot leave the capital without getting a warrant of a new minister.
We have been told.
New governor. You get this, I will make arrangement for his oath and leave one day before that.
We have been told that the Home Secretary has called a few governors and have asked the...
Not me. I know Goswami very well. He has not ever spoken. I told you, I don't tell lies. I have not. And I have asked for appointment. You ask Rajnath Singh.
There is this entire debate right now whether, since the new government is in place, should the existing governors, appointed by the UPA, should they resign or not? What is your view on this?
Governors cannot resign. They have to stay according to Constitution in their headquarters unless the President appoints a new governor. And if government conveys it to the governor through Home Secretary, Home Minister, then they should seek information, the highest, because the President is this governor is a constitutional appointment, and there is a provision in the Constitution that the governor shall continue unless a new governor is appointed.
Thank you.
So that being the provision, how can you act irresponsibly? If you remain a political person, then you can definitely act politically. That I don't want to serve a different government which is not my party government, or party may say he is a so-and-so appointee, so he must go. That is for the government. Governors cannot do that.
Thank you. Thank you. That was Karnataka governor exclusively talking to Times Now and clearing the air and telling us that he has not put in his papers. With video journalist Manish Karkoti, this is Prema Sridevi in New Delhi for Times Now.